Note: the following article contains discussion of rape, sexual assault that some readers may find upsetting. The second season of The Handmaid's Tale has been nothing short of grueling, for characters and viewers alike, but it could have been worse. Following Ralph Fiennes' admission that he had refused to film the rape scene involving Commander Fred Waterford and his wife Serena, Yvonne Strahovski has weighed in on the moment that didn't make it to screen. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Related. Handmaid's Tale star Joseph Fiennes recalls shocking rape scene he refused to film. Speaking to Entertainment Weekly, Yvonne, who plays Serena Joy, said that a lot of thought, from the actors and crew, gets put into everything. Joe and I talk a lot about our dynamic as the Commander and Serena, she explained, before acknowledging Fiennes' strong feelings about the scene between their characters. We didn't want to also take away from the rape that would then happen with Offred. It seemed like it was going to be a bit too much if he had forced Serena to have sex with him in the hotel in Canada, she said. As it stands, it appears the violent rape of Offred, June was still too much for fans, with many calling the brutal moment Elizabeth Moss's character was raped by the Commander and his wife sickening, possibly the most disturbing and hellish episode yet, one viewer argued. This will stay with me for a very long time. The Handmaid's Tale airs on Hulu in the US. Channel 4 airs the show in the UK. Rape Crisis England and Wales works towards the elimination of all forms of sexual violence and sexual misconduct. If you've been affected by the issues raised in this story, you can access more information on their website or by calling the National Rape Crisis Helpline on 0808 802 9999. Rape Crisis Scotland's helpline number is 08088010302. Readers in the U.S. are encouraged to contact RAINN, or the National Sexual Assault Hotline on 800-656-4673. Want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account.